Hey guys, welcome to the video. So if you're watching this video right now, you know what it's about. Let's just jump straight into it. The video's gonna be half a vlog for about 30 seconds, and then basically we're gonna jump straight into it and then catch you guys up with what happened with the N3on account and the progress we've made and some edits I made as well that I recorded, which I'll show you guys in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Yo, what's good boys? So right now, I didn't actually record while I was doing this live. But essentially what I'm doing here is I'm getting N3on clips. You can find them from N3on stream. If you're in N3on's clipping server, you can find them in notifications, or you can sometimes go on Twitter and you can find different clips, and then you can go and find them on Kick and download them later, the ones that have done well. Then what I'm doing here is I'm getting reactions. So I'm basically adding the clips that I've found. And then I'm adding basically legacy reactions is basically what we call it in the clipping space. So this is where we add reactions to the top of the clip, so streamers are reacting to other streamers on different moments. So as you can see here, I'm adding ones of speed. You can find these reactions anywhere basically. They just need to look real and actually look like they're actually reacting to the video. And this is going to give you a bit of an edge on some of the views you can get. Right, so yeah, so this is going to help you get a lot more views on your page, especially if you're a beginner and you're starting out. Then you just want to go for views, right? Like, you don't need to be clipping moments. You can also remix them, which again is another term for adding reactions and stuff to different clips. So you basically just, for right now in this editing process, I'm just finding music that fits the narrative of the video, and in my head I'm thinking about a angle that I'm going to use to spin the video with, which I'll show you guys in a minute what I mean. But those are those on-screen captions you see on those videos when you're scrolling on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or whatever. Those are what is going to hook people into watching the video, and that's going to be the first thing they see in the middle of the screen. Now obviously you want to make your content original, and if you're posting on YouTube Shorts, which I am, and this challenge is about, then it's basically brain rotty. So you want to do auto captions. You don't need to, but I do. It just adds that little bit extra originality to the video, especially if you want to get monetized through YouTube later instead of just clipping. Obviously, so find music that fits the narrative of the video. Find an angle in your head. So, you know, for example, this one, Speed can't believe N3on got spotted on stream and gets emotional, something like along those lines. Then when you basically find that narrative, then you can then create the video around it. You know, don't be like extra, like, you know, just make a narrative, but don't go crazy. And then yes, that's basically what we're doing in the editing process. You know, just some sound effects, some basic ones. You don't need to add them. I do, but you know, not everyone does. But music is definitely key. And then also at the start of the video, add like a swipe transition thing, and also a sound as well, a swipe sound. So you know, it keeps a bit more retention. That's what works for me. Something else might work different for you guys, but that's what's going through this process right here. So let's just jump in. After we made the clips, I'll show you the progress of the account and how to get the on-screen captions to make your videos do better. All right guys, so basically this is the account that we were running from zero. So it's been about 2 weeks since the upload. I've been uploading consistently for about a week on this new account. As you can guys see here, we have had 600,000 views and then 53 subscribers as well. Now this account was aged when I got it, and then I'll show you guys the analytics real quick. So we're gonna look at overview, we're gonna look at the last 7 days, and yeah, 323,000 views. So I'm posting on this account for like a week and a half, a week consistently, which is where most of the views have come from. And yeah, past 48 hours, 100,000 views. So again guys, the content is basically, you know, I showed you guys this before. The content is essentially these clips right here, reactions to N3on moments. You know, Aiden Ross was in complete shock. The quality might be quite bad there. Aiden Ross was in complete shock about his assistant quit straight away to work for N3on. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, the on-screen captions, boys. So with the on-screen captions, that's going to be what people see when they first scroll up on the video. Now, everyone has a different editing style. Some clippers just prefer to actually make proper edits, whereas some prefer to have on-screen captions and kind of have this like classic OG kind of editing, clipping kind of style. Now, that's what I go for because that's what I've always done. But yeah, so essentially you want to get on-screen captions that match your video, and you want to make a narrative around that. Now I've made a tool which I will be bringing out soon, so if you're watching this video, the tool might actually be available to be able to use, and it will help you get more views on your videos. Obviously during that method. Now I'll link the tool down below. It's in my Discord, literally just clipping.gg, caption generator. If you join my Discord, the links will be in there. I'll probably link it down below in the YouTube video, in this video, in the description. So give that a go, guys, because if you've not done that, it's definitely, I mean, that's how I've always clipped personally. I've always put on-screen captions, and it helps boost the videos. It helps set a baseline for the videos, right? So when someone scrolls on your video, first thing they see is the narrative, they want to watch the video. So it will generate you a description as well. So the description, this one is Ayo, speed was not ready for this. So it will generate you stuff like that as well. So you can put that there, and then the on-screen caption can be a little bit different. You want to kind of engage like shock as well. So what I usually do is, as you can see on these examples here, I'll end up putting something like Aisho speed was in complete shock after N3on's best friend got arrested on stream for stealing. Right now, what you want to do is you want to put into the caption generator an idea. So when you make in a video, like I spoke about before, you make a narrative around it. So the video back there where it's speed reacting to N3on doing something or getting swatted, whatever it may be, you should basically chuck in the caption generator something along the lines of, no way N3on got swatted on stream and this was Speed's reaction, or Speed got emotional. Then you put that into the caption generator and it will add captions and find different angles for that video, and then you can just pick out the best one that you like and you can just use that and check it as an on-screen caption. And again, for the description, the titles, description, you don't really need anything, but for titles, you just add the title. It will give you a list of titles or some that you can choose from, and if you want to put the same title as the on-screen caption, feel free to do that. But I sometimes do them a little bit different, just because if some people will look at the title and some people will look on the on-screen caption, but majority of people, it will be the on-screen caption. So that's what you guys basically want to do. So that tool is being made now. It's probably going to be my Discord. It's probably going to be linked in the description. If it is, go check it out. If you guys want to use that, feel free. And that's kind of where we're at right now with the account. So I'll do a follow-up video very soon. I will go over me actually redeeming the funds and then also scaling this account. This account is basically in warm-up still. It's not been too long, so I just need to get out of 20,000, 30,000 view jail, which is a common thing on YouTube Shorts channels that are new. You need to be posting for 1 to 2 months consistently, really, to start getting like a higher increase amount of views. But that's what I'm going to be working on now. I'll take you guys along for the journey, and I'll be releasing more editing tutorials as well, about kind of how I edit my clips. So if you guys are interested in that, just subscribe, stay tuned, all that kind of good stuff. And right now, this account is probably generated something like $140. So we're not at the 1K yet, but I have got another account as well who's just done the same amount of views. So that's something like $300. Obviously, it's not great for like a month, but I've been clipping on it consistently for like a week, both those accounts. So $300, $400 a week for a beginner. I mean, that's an extra 1.5K a month if you carry on going at that scale. Once you get out of 30, 40,000 view jail, then you can start printing more money, and then the views the accounts get will start getting way more consistent, and that's where you want to get to. That's the point you're trying to get to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything like that. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good shit. Leave a comment if you want me to make a video about anything else. And yeah, boys, so just keep going, just keep posting, and you can just follow the exact method I've done right now. As you can see on screen right here, it does work. You know what I mean? I'm not making up, I'm not capping. It does work. It's just going to take consistency, time, and keep posting, and everyone says that because it's true. I'm not trying to be like everyone else, but it is a fact. People, if you're watching this video right now, just take action. Go and get some reactions, go and get some clips, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's on Kick, whatever. Go download them and start remixing videos and get yourself up to this point that I'm at right now. Follow along with the journey with me, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one in a bit. Peace.